Wow! Can you believe it? Just a single coin has the power to take rusty, dull scissors and restore them to being razor-sharp once more. Hi everyone! Every household has a pair of scissors. They are incredibly useful, essential for everything from cutting paper and fabric to prepping food. But after a long time of use, scissors tend to get dull and even start to rust. Take my pair here, for example. I've used them for a while, and now they barely cut anything, let alone clothes or food. They can't even cut a simple plastic bag, and it's no different when dealing with thin tissues. It feels like such a waste to just throw them away. But then, buying replacements is just too expensive. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick to make your scissors razor sharp again, in the blink of an eye. If you have some old, rusty scissors sitting around the house, don't throw them away. We're going to bring them back to life. And the best part? The tools we need are incredibly simple. First, we're going to need some toothpaste. You can use any kind you have lying around the house. Don't ever think that toothpaste is only meant for brushing your teeth. It actually has so many amazing uses. Just one of them? You can use it to sharpen your scissors. First, squeeze out a small amount of toothpaste. Take enough and apply it to both the blades and the screw mechanism of the scissors. Next, use a toothbrush to thoroughly spread the toothpaste across all the surfaces. Be sure to work carefully and evenly. The surfactants in the toothpaste help improve the shine of your nails, and the special abrasives within it have powerful exfoliating properties, making the filing process incredibly effective. It's almost miraculous. After applying the toothpaste evenly, let your nails rest for 2 minutes. Next, all we need to do is take out a coin. After coating the scissors completely with toothpaste, place the coin on the scissors blade. Before sharpening, you need to know that the scissors have a flat surface, a fine side bevel, and a top surface. The most important part for daily cutting is the fine bevel. It is this small edge right here. Therefore, this is the surface that needs to be sharpened. Hold the coin at an angle of about 40 degrees relative to the fine bevel. Rub back and forth with even pressure. This surface should be sharpened about 30 to 40 times. This ensures effective sharpening while also preventing the coin from wearing down too much. When sharpening, pay attention to the area that needs sharpening. The part that truly needs to be sharpened is the fine bevel. This is the key that determines the sharpness of the scissors. Since the scissors are made of 2 blades, and each blade has its own fine bevel edge, there are 2 surfaces that need sharpening. After sharpening the first surface, move on to sharpening the fine bevel edge on the other blade. Use the same method to sharpen the fine bevel edge on the opposite side of the remaining blade. Whenever you change the sharpening surface, check the wear on the coin. If you notice a distinct groove on the coin's surface, promptly change the coin's position to prevent affecting the sharpening efficiency. Throughout the process, keep your hand steady to avoid uneven sharpening caused by changing angles. By sharpening both fine bevel edges, the scissors' sharpness can be fully restored, allowing every edge to regain its cutting ability. Where are you from? Please leave a comment. After polishing, wipe the surface of the tool with a cloth or tissue to completely remove any remaining toothpaste. It's time to witness the magic. Use the scissors to cut the tissues and the plastic bag again. Now it's time to witness the magic. Use the scissors to cut the tissue paper and plastic bags once more. You will be surprised to see how those dull and useless blades are now smooth and precise, making clean, sharp cuts. Using toothpaste and a small old coin to sharpen scissors is a perfect combination of low cost and high efficiency for household tools. Compared to traditional whetstones, this method doesn't require complex skills and can be used without any prior knowledge. It's very easy to use. You don't have to worry about the danger of whetstones. It doesn't create a mess from flying stone dust. You don't need to buy extra professional tools. You can fix dull scissors using everyday household items. Give your scissors a new life in just minutes. save time, effort, and money. Your scissors will become shiny, smooth, and sharp again. They cut through food and fabric cleanly and effortlessly. It not only extends the life of your scissors but also provides an eco-friendly option for your life. Once your scissors are sharp again, the next step is to completely remove any rust and stains. Get a container that's bigger than the scissors, preferably one with a flat bottom that can hold liquid, so soaking is easier. Put the scissors inside. First, sprinkle a little baking soda onto the surface of the scissors. Then cover the scissors with paper towels. Next, pour a little white vinegar evenly onto the paper towel. These two substances will create thick foam when they react. Through this chemical reaction, the strong cleaning power of baking soda complements the softening and dissolving effects of the white vinegar. Lift the scissors and flip them over. Then sprinkle some baking soda on the other side. Cover it with paper towels and pour vinegar over the top. This helps deep clean rust and stains. White vinegar doesn't just soften stains, it also chemically reacts with metal rust to break it down. Meanwhile, baking soda has excellent cleaning power. Covering the scissors with paper towels helps the baking soda stick better and prevents it from falling off easily. Let everything sit undisturbed for about 10 minutes to allow the cleaning action to fully activate. During this time, you will notice that the initial rust and stubborn stains will gradually loosen. When you're finished, first remove any wipes from the scissors. Then, gently scrub the area clean using a toothbrush. During the scrubbing process, you can dip the brush into the soaking solution to remove any rust spots. Be sure to scrub multiple times, paying special attention to any deep rust areas. The surface can be refreshed and the metal shine restored. This cleaning method uses common kitchen items, making it both eco-friendly and effective. Let your old kitchen tools say goodbye to dirt and get their life back. It's so great to know that we're connecting all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's wonderful to receive your support. Smiling face with hard eyes face blowing a kiss 2 hearts. Wipe the surface of the scissors a few times. As the remaining rust and grime are wiped away little by little, the scissors will quickly regain their original metallic shine and look brand new. After washing, make sure to dry it completely with a clean tissue, especially in the crevices between the handle and the blade. With this simple and practical method, your scissors will not only be sharp again but their lifespan will also be significantly extended. Anyone who has dull or rusty scissors at home should try this method. You don't need any complicated tools, you just need everyday household items. It's both economical and environmentally friendly. If you have any other scissor sharpening tips or new discoveries from your own experience, please leave a message in the comments section to share with me and others around the world. Thank you so much for your support. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you found the video interesting, please give it a like. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you in the next video.